Man, oh man, oh man, gotta say, just love football in Buffalo in January. Now, yesterday's Bills-Steelers wild card game got postponed until Monday afternoon, that being yesterday, due to the fact that Kathy Hochul decided, oh yeah, she's the governor of New York, decided that it wasn't safe to be out traveling. So I'm just going to take it out of the citizens' hands to decide if they want to trek to the stadium and just say travel ban. NFL, postpone the game. So whatever. But I will say this, Bills fans had some fun yesterday. The scenes from Highmark Stadium, while the field was in really good shape, there was no snow on the field. There was a lot of snow in the stands. And we'll just say the first touchdown celebration, when Buffalo scored their first touchdown on their first possession in the first quarter, that's a lot of firsts, was a sight to behold. So I'm going to play this for you guys. Here's what it looked like on the CBS broadcast, and hopefully they don't copyright me on this.
Communication on the outside by the secondary for the Steelers. Watch the...
Now, that was one clip. Now, there's another clip of the Bills Mafia going crazy in the snow, and here's that clip. Now, just imagine if this game would have been played on Sunday. The amount of snow being thrown in the air, the number of snowballs being thrown on the field when Buffalo scores a touchdown. And keep in mind, in fact, I think Buffalo's getting more snow today, which I hope when the Chiefs roll into town this coming weekend for the divisional playoff game, which, by the way, will be Patrick Mahomes' first playoff game outside of Kansas City. Well, except for playing on a neutral side of the Super Bowl. I hope there's a lot of snow on the ground. I hope there's a lot of snow in the stands. And I hope the Bills Mafia gets a chance to show out again on national TV. So just thought I'd put this one together for you folks. Quick video just to show you how much fun Bills fans have in the snow and how much of a home field advantage the Bills have in January, at least when they're allowed to play in the snow. So with that, please, if you would, smash that like button, comment if you'd like to hear your thoughts. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and thank you to the nearly 15,000 of you that have subscribed to the channel this year. 2023 has been great. Looking for a bigger 2024. And hit that notification bell so you don't miss a video. And with that, I will see you later.